a journey of self-discovery. Okay, so today we are going to start self-discovery because this is very much important. We all people are different, unique. So our thoughts are unique, thoughts are also different. And the way we are, we have to choose and we have to take our important decisions on the basis of our personality. Again, I'm telling, your life and my life is not same. Maybe you have your two hands, two eyes, everything. We are physically same, but the type of person I am, the type of person you are, we are totally different. So we are different. So our choices will be different. Our decisions will be different. Suppose my father is an engineer. So of course I'm his son. So my father said, I'm an engineer and I believe engineering has a lot of prospects in future. So you should also become engineer, means I. So now I have to understand, as per my personality, is engineering the best option? Suppose you have chosen some option. The question is, the option you have chosen as your career, is it the right option? You have to think about it. Maybe you have your kids. Now you have some dreams about your kids. Now, are you sure what they are choosing or what you people are pressurizing on them, is it a right for him? So all the answer will only come when they will discover themselves. If we would have discovered ourselves 20 years, 25 years before, things would have been different. Because when you discover yourself, you will get true information about yourself. True information. And many people, they don't discover themselves. Many people, they don't know what they are.
Don't explore.
They don't explore. Absolutely. We feel, okay, they are doing engineering, let's go for engineering. Okay, they are going for MBA, let's go for MBA. Okay, they are doing coaching, let's go for coaching. So they don't follow their personality, they follow the bandwagon.
Yes.
They follow the crowd. We should not follow the crowd. Maybe you succeed in as a coach, but maybe I will not succeed as a coach, because there is some issues in our, types of people we are. So guys, today we are going to discover ourselves and try to know what we are doing is as per our personality or not.
Yes.
Okay.
And there is one term, sir, that is called foreclosure
Okay.
in psychology. I mean, you don't explore. You just take something for granted that my father is an engineer, I should be an engineer.
Yeah.
It's foreclosure.
Okay.
There's
Okay.
no
So
exploration.
yes, though we should explore ourselves, and there are the great people, they say that the greatest discovery in life is self-discovery. Until you find yourself, you will always be someone else. Become yourself. Because if you are not what you are, then you are somebody else. अगर आपका, in Hindi normal language, if I say, अगर आपका जन्म हुआ है डॉक्टर बनने के लिए और आप बन गए इंजीनियर, तो आपने अपनी पूरी लाइफ गलत कर दी. So we should know what suits us, what is made for us. And this is going to be really, really very healthy discussion that we are going to make today. And there are many sources. There are many sources by which you can discover yourself. And today, the source we are going to talk about, this source is known as MBTI. 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 We call it Myers-Briggs personality test. Or in short, we say MBTI, Myers-Briggs type indicator. Type indicator. Myers-Briggs type indicator.
qualities, then what we write?
Yes, sir.
No, that's what again I said about the mix and match. If
Okay.
even mix
What
and
is the
match
mode?
also, you have to write the dominant one. तो एक काम करो आप दो dashes लिखो, दो, एक ऊपर एक, चार ऊपर चार नीचे, ऊपर में ई लिखो नीचे आई लिखो, मतलब जो भी आपको लग रहा है कि दोनों चॉइस, बट वन शुड बी डोमिनेंट. One is dominant. You have to find out which is dominant. Okay, because if you explore yourself, you will understand. तो अगर आप फिर दो दो कोड निकलेंगे, so इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, if you are confused or not getting to the right point, you should make two different lines. ऊपर में आप E से start करो, नीचे I से start करो, और ऊपर I से start करो, नीचे E से start करो. Okay, so this is the first thing we have done. Now let's go for our speech, and next I'll be calling to, again we'll go back to that, don't worry. So we have Meenakshi with us. Yes, Meenakshi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ourselves. Okay, so here we go. We have already done with whether we are extrovert or introvert, E or I. So if you feel there are mixed character present, so you can make two different, lines. The first line you start with E or I. Whatever you feel is dominant, you write at the above, and which is you feel thoda bahut hai, you can write at the bottom. Now let's go for S and N. S and N. It talks about how you take in information. I want everyone, you should write at least 4 sentences in English regarding this picture. 4 sentences. You can write anything, whatever. I'm not going to see grammar, anything. You can write any 4 sentences regarding this picture.
In our copy or in chat
In
box?
your copy, where will you
Okay.
write? No, copy.
Okay.
In your copy only. 4 sentences. 4 sentences about this picture.
Full swing by seeing this tree. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj. Very nice. I have given you one result. It is positive, okay? It is positive. Okay, let's go for Shogato.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My first sentence was, you need a good base to flourish. Okay. Green and red is a good combination. Apples have an association with Newton. A for apple.
Okay, fine. I have given you your one. Okay, let's go to Manmeet Kaur.
Sir, this is the picture of a park where we can see a tree which is covered by different type of colors of flowers like a blue, red and yellow, and it is full of apples which looks very juicy and sweet to eat, and according to that we are seeing the clear sky. There is a no cloud, or this is I think this is the time of morning, and I love to see the greenery which are the surrounding all the surrounding the area of tree, and that's it, sir.
Thank you very much. I have given you one letter. Okay, let's go for Vibha.
First sentence is beautiful tree at wonderful place. And second is sweet and red apple on it. And third is flowers are around the tree. And fourth is different colors of flowers are there. And I have also one more that there in the stem, I can see a blank area also.
Okay. Rupesh, you can continue.
Yeah. A very beautiful green tree in the park. This is an apple tree, is it? Because apple is placed on it. It's not. This is not ripened apple. This is a very old tree. I guess it from the trunk of this, and there are very beautiful flowers at the bottom of the tree. That's it.
Okay. Fine. Okay, so I've given you something. Fine. Let's go to Meenakshi.
Yes, sir. here I can see a beautiful tree, and the greenery is awesome, and the sky color is white, sir. And this is apple tree having the apples, and flowers are blooming around the tree. And if we talk about the apple, so apple is my favorite fruit. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I've given you your letter. Okay, Shweta, would you like to add something?
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
This is a very good picture. In the picture, we say this is a morning scene of the park scene. This is a morning park scene, and in the picture, this is a very old tree, and having is greenery. So greenery is a symbol of prosperity, and having is a four apple. Four apple is the same size in this picture, and in the bottom size, we can see is a three types of flowers and three colors of flowers. And I think I feel that in the sky is white, and the nearby of the park is a running fountain. So it is a beautiful fountain is in the picture.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Thank you. Thank you, dear. I've given you your letter also. Yes, is there anybody who is left? Bashir.
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening. Good evening,
evening.
everybody.
Good
So I
evening.
can see in the picture there is a green park with full of grass. It looks very beautiful, and I can see a tree. It's a very big tree. It's a beautiful apple tree. So I can see a picture in the so many beautiful flowers, yellow color and red and blue colors. So the tree is, I think, very big tree. It's very old. It's, I think, more than 50 or 60, more than age is over. I think it's going, maybe very soon it's get collapse. So it's look like. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I've given you something in negative. Okay. So please write down. So yes, is there who is left? Anyone? Jagruti, will you speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So in this, I see fresh apples and flowers shows like a smile, and roots are so strong, so it gives us shadows everyone. And in this place, I want to sit alone with the silence.
Okay. Okay, fine. I've given you some letter. Okay. Yes, are we done with everyone or anybody who would like to? Yeah, Sangeeta. Sangeeta, I'm not getting your voice.
Sorry, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So this is an apple tree in a garden, and apple fruits are very healthy, beneficial for our health. It has more fiber and juice. We have to take one apple in a day, and it has more nutritious value for our health. In the picture, there are 4 apples, and in the bottom flowers also. This is very beautiful place where the apple tree is sitting. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Thank you very much. Tomali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is an old apple tree. Some flowers are blossoming in the garden. The apples look so fresh and beautiful, and this greenery attracts me very much.
Done?
Yes, sir. 4
Okay.
sentences.
Okay. Fine. So I've given you your results. Seema, you are just watching everything.
Hi everyone. As I can see, there is a beautiful garden where a big tree, where it has a big tree which have 4 apples, and this tree is surrounding by some flowers which are also very beautiful. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, Seema. I've given you one letter. Okay, so guys, I think most of you have already gotten the word. So the first is sensing. Those who have got S, that means sensing. Sensing means you have written or you have spoken what you have seen. That is sensing. S stands for sensing. N stands for intuition or intuiting. Means you are trying to speak something even what you are not seeing here in the picture. Something which is not there in the picture, but still you are speaking that. Suppose I will give example of what Neeraj said, apple a day. Who said apple a day keeps the doctors away? I think Poonam has said. Why did she say that? There's nothing like doctor or anything. But she said something from her right brain. Those who are intuiting, those who are intuiting, they see lot of things, even what you don't see from your naked eyes, because you have to think a lot. Okay. And people who are sensing, they see what is there. They see there is a tree. They see there are few apples. There are few flowers. The sky is white. So they are S. See, we are not talking about what is good, what is bad. I'm talking about the type of nature, the type of characteristic we have. Some are sensor. They sense what is there. And some have intuition power. They see something more than what they see. Okay, and people who have got minus N, that means N is there, but it is less. And some who have got N or N plus, it means highly high intuition. They see so many things so differently. There's nothing right, wrong here. Any questions if you have belongs to this, you can ask.
Sir, if anybody can ask, see, like if you want to show some picture or you want to listen what is shown in the picture, so what we have to say.
No, it is what you have to say. That is not the main thing. Main thing, what you see. What you see, what you have seen, that you have written, that you have spoken. So you have seen the picture, the trees, birds, sky. So you have written that. Somebody seen something else. I imagine I'm sitting just below the tree. I'm dreaming. Suddenly, an apple comes from the top, and it just hits my head. You don't know. Everybody can write anything. So this is the nature of people. They are different. They write in a different way. Okay. So there's no any right, wrong here. I just check whether you are a sensor or intuitor. But again, although we are doing this activity, but this activity is not an exhaustive one because it's a very short-term activity.
Sir,
It
he
may
is
vary.
asking,
The result
sir,
may vary. Yes. Yeah.
Meenakshi is asking a question. Since you told us to see the picture and just write,
Yeah.
she has only done that. You
That is
see the
fine.
picture and you feel
She has
whatever you
done
want.
that.
If you write means she would have even written the Newton law, she's saying.
No, she cannot write it because it didn't maybe hit. Okay, let me ask Meenakshi what I have given, S or N?
Sir, S.
S, okay. So you could have written something else, but you have written what you have seen.
I was trying to connect that picture with something else, but as you told us, you have to written what you have, what you are
I
seeing
did
in
not
this
say
picture.
anything.
So
I
that
just no,
No,
don't
we
get.
understood like that.
There
Yes,
was no
sir.
have to. There was no have to actually.
Yeah, I
So
just said.
I just wanted to connect that picture with something else, but what I did, sir,
See,
I just write those
Meenakshi, I'll
sentences.
tell you. I'll tell you.
Sir, when we write a paragraph for our children, we have to write 100 words of this picture. Then we add so many.
No, sir said only 4 lines.
So,
I said 4
yes,
lines. Again, I'm telling this, what we have done. I thought if somebody has some intuition, out of 4 sentences, at least 1 sentence will come from that. How come I write 4 sentences and 4 sentences are talking about only the fact and figures? So again, I'm telling this may go wrong because only by 4 sentences and only by few minutes, I cannot judge a person. But I am telling it may vary here, but maximum chances are that S is more active than N. S is more active than N. That is the reason you have said more about S. Maybe if I would have told you to write 10, you would have added some N also. But right now, what we have seen, S factor is more dominant. लेकिन इसका मतलब नहीं कि आप में इंट्यूशन नहीं है. आपको अगर कोई बोले, if I tell you to think in that way, you could have thought of it. But right now, I'm not talking about कि आपको instruction क्या मिला है and what you have done. Naturally, what you are. So naturally, you are S. That doesn't mean that you cannot be N. I'm telling naturally, you are more prone to sensing. But that doesn't mean that you cannot do intuiting. Okay. But you're more prone to think and see, and then you take the data. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. Let's go for it. The next one.
So another question.
Yeah.
Can I ask?
Yeah. Please.
If someone asks about the same question in future, so what we will what we will write? We write only those things which which we are seeing, or we have to write the things which we can connect with that picture.
It
So
depends. It depends. It
Sir,
depends. It depends again where you are, who is asking. So many things. See why you are going again thinking outside. Let's discover yourself and then we can talk about it. Don't talk about what others will do. Right now we are talking about our discovery.
our
Sir,
discovery.
Because
and
you
standpoint-
know yourself.
So you are saying intuitions. How mean? I can't understand.
What I
not
found,
clearly.
Neeraj, your all the sentences are different than what we can see in the picture. Because when I showed you the picture, your natural instinct was totally different. You went into some different world and you have written those sentences. Not a single sentence was a normal sentence that this is a tree and it has a flower. You wrote something very, something different. What was your first sentence?
A beautiful tree telling the beauty of life.
देखो, beautiful tree telling the beauty of life. कहाँ लिखा था ये? कहाँ लिखा था? अब देखो.
My first sentence was you need a good base to flourish. Totally unrelated, directly unrelated. Totally.
Now see, now please listen.
Yes.
Now, if I am into a creative world, if I am into a creative world, then I will select Neeraj. But if I am in a field, suppose I am a judge, or I am an advocate, or something else, I may not like this. I will say, what you are seeing, Neeraj? I'm showing you something and you're writing something else. So it's not about what is right, what is good. It depends on, to whom you are telling those facts. Okay, so it may vary. Right now, we are not talking about outside. We are talking about our discovery.
Ourselves.
So let's discover yourself and then we'll talk about the other information. Okay, nothing bad and nothing good. Okay,
Naturally.
it is a natural instinct. What is your natural instinct? So guess, so let's go ahead, guys. So you see how you take information. I will need to see more data. Oh my God, this looks, like a great opportunity. You see the behavior of these people. He's looking the numbers. He's looking the opportunity. You see, this N is telling we need to change the world. The S is telling how about doing the dishes first. It talks about, the data. Let's talk about the different. See the sensor, they make triangles, rectangles, square, circle. And you see the intuiting people, they write which is different. We are not talking about right, wrong, good, bad. We are talking about these people, they are, they are different creature altogether. See this. Okay, let's go to this. How you make decisions. How you make decisions. How you make decisions. Okay, so now we are going to, okay, so you have written that E and I. So beside that, if you have got S, then write S, the second letter. And if you have got N, then write N.
With the minus sign or
No, minus, no. If you have got minus, you write N only, because you have got N only. Okay. So maybe it is less, but if it requires, you can increase also. Okay. So now we are going for what is that? T and F. T means thinker. Please listen. T means thinker. And F means feeler. So what do you think? You think and then you take action? Or you think or you feel and then you take action? What kind of person you are? Okay, let's see. I'm giving you one hypothetical situation, and you try to understand what you will be doing. Okay, please listen. There's nothing again good, bad, anything. Okay, there are two brothers. Okay, please listen. There are two brothers. One brother is very disciplined. Means one is very disciplined and one is totally indisciplined. Okay, please listen. And they have their parents also at home. And now the indisciplined brother, you know, is married to one girl, and they have a family, they have a wife, they have a child also. And it is seen as father is so indisciplined, even the wife is also indisciplined. Even by seeing the indisciplined parents, the child is also becoming indisciplined. You know, they're coming from office, just lying down on the sofa, throwing their clothes here and there. Even the child is also, you know, whole day they're watching, and nobody is telling that kid that please don't watch it and all. But the discipline, okay, the disciplined person, even he gets married and he also gets a child. Now the disciplined brother, he saw that the house is full of indisciplined thing. They are making something well, and their you know, their brother and sister-in-law, they're doing everything like hell. Even the brother saw that the child, means suppose that the small brother child is mixing with a big brother child, and you know, one child is indisciplined, one child is disciplined, but that disciplined child is also becoming indisciplined. Now it is a concern for the disciplined brother, what to do, how we can go ahead. Because brother cannot tell to other brother that be disciplined, you know, because brother they never listen, to be more frank. Okay, now they are having a lot of problem. This brother, this in the disciplined brother and his wife and his daughter having a lot of problem. Now they are deciding, let's live in other house. Because if this goes like this, then in future also, although we are disciplined, but there will be a lot of problem in future. Then what happens? One brother, the disciplined brother, he goes to another house, very near to that house only. Very near to that house. And, you know, because he wanted, but, and, you know, the indisciplined brother, he was hurt, very much hurt. How could my brother takes this decision to live a different place? So now what you think? If you would have been in that disciplined brother's place, what you would have done? You would have been staying in the same place and living with them, because relationship is more important. Yeah, relationship, family is important, right? So you would have done that, or you would have gone to some other place and lived so that even love is also there, and but there is a distance also so that they can live their own life also, the disciplined life. There's nothing right or wrong. One person is thinking and one person is feeling. This is one hypothetical situation I'm giving it to you. So if you feel no यार थोड़ा बहुत indiscipline तो हर घर में होता है यार, इतना सोचना है क्या है इसके लिए? Why the family is getting separated? It means you are feeling and you are deciding. That is a one result. But you are not feeling, you are thinking that if this goes like this, my son, my daughter will become indisciplined. Okay, we'll live separately, but we will again meet and we will take a house very nearby so that we can regularly meet. But we'll not stay together because that will impact our family, immediate family also. So what will you do? Although again, I'm telling only this answer is not going to decide whether you are a feeler or thinker, but we have to come to a solution. So what you think? If you feel, you will be there. Okay, it's fine, but हम लोग साथ तो रहेंगे. और हर एक घर में रहने से सब कोई जो डिसिप्लिन होगा ऐसा ठीक है. एक घर में रहेंगे हम लोग डिसिप्लिन रहेंगे, वो लोग इनडिसिप्लिन रहेगा. दैट इज फाइन. इट्स ओके, आई विल मैनेज. और यू फील नो भाई साथ में रहेंगे तो भाई प्रॉब्लम तो होगा, because my daughter, my son is also getting into seeing everything like that. Okay, how is the situation? Okay, okay, Poonam Sharma, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually I have two daughters. My younger daughter is very undisciplined, and my elder daughter is very very disciplined. So I'm from joint family. I have three brother-in-laws, three sister-in-laws. So we all are different. We all are I have some of them are disciplined, some of them are not disciplined, but we learn from each other. So the decision will be my decision will be that I can tolerate, or I don't
that's
mind.
fine. So that is why that is
my
fine.
lifestyle, I cannot be undisciplined, and I'm disciplined person. No one can like
but
change
for
my
this matter I'm not ready to
so we can shift on, we have two, if we have two stories, we have a duplex flat, we can shift over up and down. The thing is that if we cannot separate our children, how we can separate our families only. So
Absolutely.
sometimes
See, again, I'm telling there's nothing right and wrong. I'm telling it is what you feel, you will say, you will write there, and you don't need to explain here. You just need to write. If you feel, you will think and decide. You will not be emotional while you take the decision. Then you are a T person, thinker. If you are feeling, आपको लग रहा है नहीं यार साथ में रहेंगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा, इतना ज्यादा सोचने का नहीं है, but family को अलग नहीं करेंगे. It means you are a feeler. Okay. आगे क्या होगा nobody knows. But right now what you are deciding. Okay, so if you feel you are a feeler, write F. If you feel you are a thinker, write T. Okay, so I think you have written. So you have already got 3 letters done. First 3 letters, right? Let's go for the last. But before that, you see here, feeling and thinking, they always have a fight. They always have a fight. What to do? Should I go? Should I not? Should I go? Should I not? There's a fight always. Thinking and feeling. Thinkers focus first on the use of things. Feelers focus on the meaning of the things. They go by the meaning more. Okay. Feelers and thinkers. Thinker सोचेगा क्या pros है, क्या cons है, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. और जो thinker and the feeler will always think, यार, I'm not feeling good or I'm not feeling bad. They calculate. The thinkers are calculators, and the feelers, they have their own mind, they have their own life. Thinkers, they have a passion for knowing what is true, respect, honesty, fairness, uses logic, reasons to solve problems, make decisions. much less reliance on emotion. They are not emotional. Feelers, kind, considerate, being liked is very important. Upset by anger and conflict. Decision often based on values and emotion. हमेशा emotion को दिमाग में रखते हुए they take decisions. They always have pros and cons, but the feelers say, no, boss. For me, family is more important. I cannot separate. I cannot go into pros and cons. Okay, now the last one, J or P? J or P? How you structure or oriented yourself in the world? Are you J for judge, judging mentality, and P for perceiving mentality. J for judging mentality and P for perceiving mentality. Judging. You know, people who are having judging mentality, they are very organized. They always go for step 1, then step 2, then step 3, then step 4. They are very systematic. If one thing is here and the next thing is here, yahan se yahan nahi hona chahiye. It should be here and it should be here. Okay? Say they are very organized. अगर safety pin भी है तो उसे एक ही जगह में रखेगा. They will not, so that you know when it is needed, I should get it. If you go and see the almirah of a person who is having a judging mentality, if you open their almirah, everything is so organized. And if you open a person's almirah who is a perceiving, मतलब वो अच्छे से रख ही नहीं सकता. आप अच्छे से रखोगे तो मिलेगा नहीं उनको. मतलब you know, if you keep it organized, they will not get their things, and they will say, यार कौन किया इतना अच्छे से इसको? I don't like this. I'm not getting my things. मतलब आप उल्टा पुल्टा रहेगा तो मिल जाएगा, but अच्छे से रहेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so judging mentality, they are having very organized thought. They go by step, 1 step, 2nd step, 3rd step. They are very organized. Perceiving mentality, लगता है कि why should I waste my time in this? I have some better work to do. Suppose you want to go for a vacation. So एकदम plan करते हो आप लोग. If you are a judging mentality, you will plan. Okay, after 3 months I'll go there. So on this day I will go there. On this day I'll go there. This day I'll go there. They have the systematic arrangements. Perceiver mentality, भाड़ में जाइए सब. हमको जब मन करेगा हम तब निकलेंगे. I'll go wherever I want. So what is this step around? मेरे को अभी लग रहा है कि let's go outside. Let's go outside. Then perceiver mindset बोलेगा यार how can you just go right now like this? So मतलब perceiver, no, they are freedom. They are free players. They don't want any rules regulation. They are the free birds. But judging mentality, they are, you know, very systematic. Okay, so you can think, you know, what you are. So if you feel you are very organized, you know, you cannot just keep things here and there. You are a judge. You are of a judging mentality. And perceiver means you are playful. You are bindas kind of attitude. Okay, एकदम मतलब normally husband wife में कभी-कभी उल्टा ज़्यादा दिखता है, you know. One is something like, so that's like that. I'm not getting into more. So, but nothing is bad or nothing is good. It's all about what is your character. Okay, like I feel Suman is very judging mentality. I don't know. I feel that Suman. So judging लोगों को ना समझ में आते हैं. Even yes.
Yes, sir. You are very true.
वही मतलब शक्ल में दिख जाता है. Like रुपेश भी थोड़ा लगता है judging वाला. Like KK sir is having very judging mentality. एकदम जो चीज जहाँ वहाँ पे. Even in this age also, you know, they always very systematic. Okay, it's like me.
Very much, sir.
Yeah.
The face is very much, sir.
Yeah.
The
मेरे
I
साथ-
understand. I understand
मेरे साथ
that.
ये है कि
Everything.
अगर मैं सुबह
one day.
सुबह कुछ देख कर गया और शाम में अगर वापस जगह पर ना मिलती है तो मैं बता देता हूँ कहाँ पे था.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bashir, what are you?
Sir, KK sir is judging a person, sir. One day what happened, in the class, somebody told I did not get the link. He immediately called, he talked to somebody, maybe to you also. He's very angry. Why it is happened?
Yeah,
In the
they are
next
not
day should
happy
not
with,
be happened like that.
ah,
He is immediately take action. That's what should
yes,
not be
yes.
happened.
They are not happy with sudden
Not
changes,
like that. Yeah.
I don't know about Neeraj, but Neeraj is also judging if I am not wrong.
I have both qualities. I don't know how entire things you have stated above. I'm getting both these qualities. Sometimes I'm this, sometimes I'm this, sometimes I'm not a person having what
But
type
by
of qualities.
seeing your background, all the books are kept in a very organized manner. I don't know अब आपने किया है कि कोई और किया है.
No, that is 100% done by me or my
Even you see,
instructions.
and you see
in
the
my
colors.
instructions.
The colors are also matching. The green with green.
No, it's not of color with color. It's of the it's series. It's
Yeah.
1, 2,
So again,
3,
you have
4.
kept the series like say 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4.
हाँ,
You
हाँ.
go to any perceiver, वहाँ पे जो किताब जहाँ पे रखना है, they keep it. Yeah, why should I do all these steps, यार? Keep it wherever I need it. I'll take it. They have these kind of mentality. Yeah, Shogato.
But sometimes I
Yeah,
told
you see, you will understand. See Shogato, you will understand everything. Yeah.
Yes.
Best example.
That's why I changed my background. It was blurred.
No, I
can
think
see
Shogatu, you
nothing is-
read it, whereas she has kept it for only fancy. We don't know.
No, he must be right. He must be. It's book itself
Look,
says
look.
that this.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
No, sir, he loves reading. That's why his books is like that.
We both
He's
carrying
not
the same.
organized.
We,
And
See,
he
it's
loves
we,
okay.
I
That
see.
is.
I see.
Neeraj
that
never
we both are
opens the
carrying the
book.
same.
All the books are looking new.
No,
No, not new.
no, not at all. Not at all.
No, no.
Not at all. Whenever we read a new book, we are judging and as well as perceiving quality. So we reading it in very careful manner. So that book should be not hurt.
Okay,
book should be
fine. Please. Okay, so please, according to it, you should write you are a judger or you are a perceiver. Okay, so J or P. Okay,
If both, then what we have to done? If we are both, then
if you feel both, then you have to write two different codes, one with J, one with P.
Okay.
So judges, they always go with priority, that this task is more important, this task is next, this task is next. And these perceiver, they mix everything, whatever best can be. Can you have an opinion about something? Judger will say. Perceiver will say, I'm okay with anything. Don't ask me anything. You tell me anything, I can do anything anytime.
Yes, sir. I'm the same person.
Okay, so these are, judger, I made a schedule every day for our vacation. There is a schedule for every day of our vacation?
Sorry. It is very messy, sir. I cannot plan anything.
So these are our nature, we have
Will
to
feel
understand.
claustrophobic. Tight schedule, no.
So guys, there's no right, no wrong type, no better or worse combination. Don't measure your skill or ability. Measure clarity of preference. Type is unique. Understand yourself, understand others, not an excuse. See, now, we will close the session here. Now, what you have to do, whatever the code you have got, you are going to send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay. I'll tell you about yourself whole result, that what you are, what you should do to be better, where you should focus. Everything will come from that code only. Okay. So if I ask to be more specific, like, okay, Shogato, what is your code?
IN-P, because in T or F I have confusion, sir.
But you have to come. You have to come.
Okay.
But I feel you are a feeler more, but some
Yes.
to be more, but
think
I feel.
Yes.
So
Mhm.
it's okay. So if you are getting
INFP.
one problem, so you can write two codes with
Okay.
two different.
So INTP or INFP?
Okay. Suman?
You can see anybody.
Sir, ISFJ. SFJ.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay, fine. Yeah, Rupesh.
INTJ.
Okay, fine.
Me, INTJ.
Okay, INTJ. Rupesh also INTJ.
Yeah, I'm T for test.
Okay, fine. Okay, thinkers. Bashir, you are a thinker, you feel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I'm E. Yes.
That is a nice question. Thinker you feel, not thinker you think.
Yeah, Prakashni?
ESFP. Yes.
ES.
F for father, P for
Okay.
Peter.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So okay, you send it privately. I will go ahead and I'll tell you some results. Okay.